Okay, we got video on the MR2. Got the turbo. We got the turbo on. Hopefully we can crank this baby up today. I'm waiting on an oil filter, and I'm waiting on the oil and the oil filter so we can get it running. I'm gonna do this lines right now for the wastegate actuator. I gotta get that done, and then we gotta put the intake boots on and the throttle entry tubes. This two right here, and let's check it out. See if this baby cranks. Well, it will crank because it runs, but it had a bad turbo. So let's try to get this MR2 SeñorDos running today.